Submarines are able to submerge and float on the sea by controlling their buoyancy. This is achieved through a combination of principles involving density, buoyant force, and ballast tanks. Here's how it works. How a submarine floats. When a submarine is on the surface, its ballast tanks are filled with air. This makes the submarine's overall density less than the density of seawater, allowing it to float. The large volume of air in the ballast tanks displaces enough water to generate a buoyant force greater than the submarine's weight. How a submarine submerges. To submerge, the submarine fills its ballast tanks with seawater. This increases the submarine's overall density, making it greater than the density of seawater. As the ballast tanks fill with water, the submarine displaces less water, reducing the buoyant force. When the buoyant force becomes less than the submarine's weight, it sinks. The submarine can control its depth by adjusting the amount of water in the ballast tanks and using its propellers or diving planes to move up or down. How a submarine resurfaces. To resurface, the submarine uses compressed air to force seawater out of the ballast tanks. This reduces the submarine's overall density, making it less than the density of seawater. As the ballast tanks fill with air, the submarine displaces more water, increasing the buoyant force. When the buoyant force exceeds the submarine's weight, it rises to the surface.